everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my channel, welcome. If this is your second, third, fourth, fifth time, if you're a subscriber, what's up? If you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and push that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications so you can know when I post. So today, first of all, I'm about to wash my hair today, and I'm actually doing a silk press video, which will be a separate video. But as I was editing the video that I wanted to post today about how to shampoo your hair, I was not liking the footage. First of all, my camera ran out of memory, so I had to use my old phone, and it was just ugly. Second of all, I was just like, no. Third of all, I was talking too much. So I'm going to do this again. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. Now this, I just took out crochets. Those crochets was in for, I think, less than 2 weeks. Look at my scalp. Y'all see this? This is less than 2 weeks. And this is why I can't leave hairstyles in forever, because one, two, and three, my scalp is being nasty. Sorry, I got this in my lap. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So I decided to do this video because sometimes people come wash. Because everybody always requires people to come wash, people assume that I require them to come wash, but I don't. But sometimes they come wash, and their hair be so dirty, and I be like, so y'all don't know how to wash your hair? Let me stop being shady. But that's why I decided to do this video, because people legit don't know how to wash their own hair. So I am going to speed this video up and probably do a voiceover, because that's the only way I can avoid talking too much. But I will tell you first, I'm going to use my medicated shampoo. Now with medicated shampoo, you want to use as directed, because the shampoo usually dries out the hair, so you don't actually supposed to put it on your hair anyway, because it's for an irritated scalp. So if you have scalp issues and they give you medicated shampoo, please use your medicated shampoo as directed. So I'm going to wet my hair down, and then I'm going to use my medicated shampoo, and I have to let it sit for 5 minutes. It does say on the instructions to apply to damp skin and let it sit for 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, and I'll be right back. So while this is sitting, let me just point out a few things. One, a common mistake people make is not rinsing their hair properly. So before you even put the shampoo in, you want to rinse your hair, rinse your hair, rinse your hair. Not just, oh, let me put water on it and that's it. Get it as wet as possible. Rinse it as much as possible. While I'm rinsing, I'm scrubbing too. And when you rinse out your shampoo and conditioner, you want to rinse it good. A lot of times people just put a little water upon it. They're like, okay, I'm done. No, you're not. You should not feel any residue from the shampoo or from the conditioner if it's rinsed properly. If you're shampooing your hair in like a sink or a shampoo bowl where you can see the water, then you want to rinse until it's clear. I rinse until it's clear. Like when you first wet someone's dirty hair, the water's a little cloudy. You want to rinse until it's clear. Apply your shampoo, scrub it up, and then go ahead and rinse again until it's completely clear. Repeat the process as many times as necessary. I usually shampoo at least twice my own hair, unless I'm being lazy, or if my hair has been like 4 days. No, I shampoo at least 3 times, unless I'm being trifling. If it's been a few days because my scalp's already getting nasty, then I will go ahead and do it like twice, because I'm being lazy and I'm about to just retwist it. I don't care. But normally I shampoo 3 times. So I'm about to go ahead and do the next shampoo. And my medicated shampoo, I do count as my shampoo. And then I just rinse that out, shampoo it again. How did that did get on? Oh, I did not cut that on. So the shampoo that I'm using now that I decided to backfire my salon is this. If you choose to get this shampoo, just know it does not have any additives in it. So it doesn't, like, first of all, it's very watery. And it doesn't have slip like a lot of shampoos do, which I don't mind. I was supposed to give y'all instructions. So if you notice, I apply it starting in the middle of my head. I can't show y'all how much I apply because it's literally, I don't know if you can. It's literally like water. So it's kind of hard to show you how much I apply, but I start in the middle and I apply any product. I just get to scrubbing. Now with my length of hair and with my thickness and me just knowing my hair, I don't have to separate my hair or section it. If you need to do that, then do that. You can section it in half. Tackle one half. Always make sure you're rubbing down to detangle and smooth the hair as you go. When I'm shampooing someone else's hair, I'm always scrubbing, rubbing, or pulling, just to help with not detangling the hair, number one, and to just keep the hair smooth. And I focus on scrubbing the scalp. So I rough with the scalp, I scratch the root area. With the ends, like I don't do this to my natural hair. Some people do, but I think you can if you have like wavy hair or hair that's not curly and gets tangled fast. My hair would be so tangled if I shampooed it like that. So I'm just gonna do this, and honestly, I can be done. So even though my scalp be disgusting from excessive flaking, I have my stove on, my hair don't be dirty. So it doesn't take long to get it clean because it don't be dirty. Like I had the hair salon for 2 weeks. I had no additional product on it besides, like I don't grease my scalp. So it's not like I have a bunch of product buildup on my hair that it takes forever to get clean. So, what was I saying? Oh, so basically it doesn't take long for me to clean my hair. And even though it's only been 3 minutes right now of me doing the second or the third shampoo, I'm done. You can kind of feel it, like, you can feel when your scalp is dirty. You can feel when there's residue on your scalp, on your hair. You can feel it, especially when you rinse it. I always say hair that's dirty feels like dry hair that you put lotion on. And it should just be light and fluffy and flowy. Like, it should not feel like something's on it after washing it. And that's after conditioning too. So I mean, at this point, I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. I'm really done. Personally, my scalp is also very tender because I was pulling at the flakes. You're not supposed to do that. If I would have shampooed my hair like day 4 like I should have, then I would not be having a painful scalp right now. But I was trying to go for 3 weeks, which I usually do with crochets, but I was just over it. I really was over it last week, but I was too busy working. I was like, I'll do it on my off day. So yeah. I was supposed to do this yesterday, but Arizona had a lot of rain. Yeah, okay. I'll be right back with the conditioner. But that's it. Like, okay, that's extra. But shampooing your hair is literally that easy. I'll see how long this whole process has been so far with me recording plus talking. It never takes me long to shampoo my hair. The thought of it, I'll be like, how to do my hair, but it really don't take all day, and it shouldn't take all day. It may take you a little bit longer if you have a lot of hair, but if you properly detangle your hair in the beginning, everything else will be easier. You gotta start combing your hair. And I don't mean, oh, it's in its natural state, it's not combed. I mean, when it's time to go ahead and shampoo, you want to detangle that hair before. You don't want to just go take off some braids and then go wash your hair because you're going to mat it up. That's another reason why you don't want to be doing all this. You're going to match your hair up, especially with a shampoo like this, because it doesn't have anything extra in it. It works like a clarifying shampoo. So my hair is more prone to clump together because the shampoo doesn't have anything in it that's coating the hair to make it stay separated. Hope that makes sense. So if I just go on like this, yes, my hair going to get matted. No, you do not want to do that. Always detangle, always pull the hair. And section however you need to. But it still shouldn't be a long process. Some people twist their hair and then just focus on the scalp and then untwist it and do the whole thing. If you want to do that for like maybe the first shampoo, because usually the first one is to get the additional ink off. If you had your hair in for a long time, like a weave, crochets, braid, you've never washed your hair in that whole 6-8 weeks, however, or if you do twist styles, things like that, you want to start with a clarifying shampoo. That's gonna make things so much easier to clear, because okay, I gotta come back. I'm gonna talk to you when I put the conditioner in. Okay, so I'm back. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Do you hear that? Squeaky clean hair. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Hopefully you can. You want squeaky clean hair. Okay. So I'm gonna put the conditioner in. I have the big jug too, but I'm gonna wait till I finish this. And side note, I started using this because I want products that are as natural as possible. And I want my products that I use to be predominantly black owned small business products. So this product was created by a black hairstylist. So that's why I tried it actually a few times. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't feeling it, and that's because I'm used to shampoos that have some type of slip. So like I will I will say do not use this on relaxed hair. I don't think her product specifies, but I tried it on somebody who had relaxed hair and it just completely matted their hair up. But other than that, I think it works good. I like that it doesn't have unnecessary things in it. So I don't know if you noticed, but I applied the conditioner in the middle of my head first. And I just finger comb it in. You can comb it through, like with the wide tooth comb or the tangling brush, or I don't use any of those, I just use my hands. And I do apply it on my roots. I know some people be like, don't apply it on your roots because it's going to weigh it down. If you know what you're doing, it's not. Honestly, if you use too much conditioner or the wrong conditioner, it will weigh it down. Like, y'all know those commercials when those girls with the super straight hair be having conditioner like lotion on the hair, and when they have this nice flowy hair, that hair is stiff in the mud because, first of all, it don't take all that conditioner. That's number one. Second of all, ma'am, I'm trying to get myself a scalp massage, but as I was saying before, if you use a lot of product on your hair, you want to use a clarifying shampoo as your first shampoo, and that's because a lot of the shampoos that we use for our hair that's for moisture or hydration, it's a lot of extra stuff in there. Oils, butters, whatever else people put in their shampoos, and those really concentrated shampoos, to me, do not do a good job of cleaning the hair as the first shampoo. That's why there are clarifying shampoos, or some people call it cleansing shampoos, first lather shampoos, but you want to use something that doesn't have all that extra to make sure you're really cleansing the hair before you just go in on dirty hair with a highly concentrated product. Hope that makes sense. Because at that point, you're just going to have like a co-wash situation where you just put a bunch of oils and stuff on dirty hair. So, like, I use another product. Her product has a few ingredients in it. That's why I like her products. But to me, the consistency of the shampoo is like a thick cream. So I would never just go in and use that, me personally, without clarifying first. And that's because a lot of my clients, first of all, are coming out of braids, weaves, crochet, so their hair is dirty. But if it's somebody who, let's say it's a week later and they get in the press, or 2 weeks later, then I would start with that. But someone who has oily hair, like I have some clients who straighten their hair too much. Y'all just want to have straight hair but be natural. Okay. And because by the time they come back, their hair's so oily because it's straight, and the natural oil that their scalp produce can lubricate the hair better. So even cases like that, if it's been 2 weeks since their last press, I'm going to use a clarifying shampoo because most likely their hair will be oily. So if that's you, that's what you want to do. And this, okay, pause. I also use conditioner as directed. This conditioner says, I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it says leave on for 5 minutes or 10 minutes with a cap. I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes and call it a day. I took deep conditioning off of my service list, and I hardly ever do them when people will book them, because all the conditioners I use, they would get the job done within 5 minutes. Even if it's a protein conditioner, moisturizing conditioner. Ooh, I actually made it. I use as directed, so I hardly ever put anybody under the dryer anymore or use a steam treatment anymore. Also, I do scalp massages, so while you're at the shampoo bowl, I'm detangling your hair, because sometimes people have a lot of hair and it does take me an extra step to detangle, so I detangle with the conditioner in, and it's taking me 10 minutes to detangle your hair. I'm not about to then sit you under the dryer for another 10 minutes for a deep conditioner. You already have this conditioner in your hair being stimulated for 10 minutes. So use conditioner as directed. If it says use 5 minutes, 5 minutes is fine. If it says 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is fine, because 5 minutes is not gonna make a difference. Another product I use is a bond builder, which is Olaplex, and they say you use at least 10 minutes. They say you can do it longer, but it's not gonna make a difference. 10 minutes, an hour, a day, it did what it needs to do in those 10 minutes. So all that extra is extra. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna rinse this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my hairstyle for the day. I'm trying to go the rest of the year with no braided style, because I'll talk about that in my silk press video, so wait for that video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wait 5 minutes, which I think I'm at 5 minutes because I've been talking right now for 2 minutes. And rinse this out, and that's gonna be it. I was literally rinsing for 5 minutes. And I just rinsed until my hair feels like I want it to feel, and I'm sure that there's no product in it. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that video was helpful. I am going to condition my hair and blow dry it. I have a separate video on how to blow dry hair. I have some that's on my account already, but I have one coming of how to blow dry your own hair. Hopefully I don't look at that footage and be like, no. So so that is it. Hair is still nice and clean. thing on my scalp. Look like gray hair. I don't know if y'all can even tell. Child, gray hair be popping up, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out all my other videos. If you have watched all 100 plus videos, I think that I have. I promise I'm trying to be more consistent, but I got 150 million social media accounts, and it's very overwhelming to try to run them all. So make sure you follow me on all those social media accounts, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. TT Bye.